Top 5 Best Fuel Transfer Pumps in 2020. Number 5. Fill-Rite FR711VA Fuel Transfer Pumps. Rotary vane technology is used to make this item. The design is a positive displacement pump that utilizes an offset rotor. The rotor has sliding vanes that rotate on a motor shaft located inside the pump. The use of vanes means that there is an increased suction lift. You are guaranteed of no performance loss due to any vane wear. There is a self-priming ability that most people check for when making a purchase. You have a chance to enjoy the easy maintenance that will not cost you time. A consistent performance by the product is assured as it functions well. Pros. The turbine meter is accurate to deliver precision at all times. The level of ease that you have while using this product ensures that you are not under any strain. It gives a good level of safety while in use. Coming in number 4. DuraMax Flon Go LE Fluid Transfer Pump. The build of this item makes it highly durable using resin. There also rubber attached to the item that gives it more long-lasting qualities. The style it comes in is ergonomic. The top handle designed to be heavy-duty. It also has extra deep base unit handles that use during transportation. If you have an outboard engine, then this is the perfect product to use. The feet of the product mold in to keeping the tank off the floor. This feature ensures that there increase ventilation and stability. Finding handheld GPS. Pros. The pump controlled at the handle to allow for automatic shutting off and restarting. You, therefore, get a clean and stress-free siphon control. You can use it for recreational applications. The hose is easy to disconnect. Coming in number 3. Fill-Rite FR1614 Diesel Fuel Transfer Pump with Hoses. Design. When it comes to getting a fuel transfer pump that you can trust, it tends to be a little difficult. So many pumps on the market promise a lot more than they can deliver, which can be a little disappointing when you finally bring the pump in and it does not perform as promised in the pump specifications. That is why it feels good to find something that does the job well and that you can trust. The Fill-Rite line of pumps never fails to impress, delivering the best quality performance on the market at the best prices. The Fill-Rite FR1614 Diesel Fuel Transfer Pump, in particular, is very good at what it does and is one of those pumps you can trust and rely on. When it comes to durability, it comes with a durable cast iron construction. It is heavy-duty iron that can handle pretty much anything leveled against it and ensures that your pump will last many years before it finally gives in. Performance. The operation of the pump is pretty good as well. The pump is specifically designed to save you power and operate in the most efficient way possible. It will also work very fast, delivering fuel at over 50 liters per minute. That way, you don't have to wait too long for the fuel to be transferred once you turn the pump on. You will be impressed by just how fast it works, especially when you're fueling small vehicles, machinery, and equipment. The hose is pretty long on this pump, making it versatile enough for a lot of applications. It also comes with a long power cord for connection to distant power sources. As for the size and weight, it is small and lightweight, making it highly portable. Pros. Very easy to install. Lightweight design. Durable. Cons. Only works for diesel. Coming in number 2. FuelWorks Electric Fuel Transfer Pump Kit. Design. You might be surprised about why this fuel transfer pump ranks so highly on this list once you learn that it is only used to pump diesel and happens to be pretty small. However, despite the fact that it only pumps diesel, and its size, this pump delivers in a very big way when it comes to performance. It does so well, in fact, that we are sad that it doesn't work for gasoline and kerosene. That's how good it is. The other thing we absolutely love about this fuel transfer pump is the fact that you can easily adjust it. That means it is highly customizable and can be made fit for just about any purpose that you could envision. The hose can be adjusted to pretty much any length. That means that whatever the typical distance between your fuel source and its destination, you can customize the pump to accommodate it. Performance and special hose feature. The hose itself is 13 feet long upon purchase. If you have uses for the pump where the hose doesn't need to constantly be at its full length, then you might have issues keeping it in one place. That's why it might make more sense to just cut the hose and have it at the length you need for the application you intend to use the pump. It's still a pretty useful hose with a nozzle right at the end, which you use to dispense the fuel. If you think that is the deal of a lifetime, then you will be impressed by the fact that this pump also has a self-printing feature. That makes it an excellent choice for commercial use. The electric motor that comes with it also has IP55 classification, making it both powerful and durable. It's just hard to go wrong with this pump. Pros: it has a thermal protection switch. It is very user-friendly. It is adjustable. Cons: only works for diesel. Coming in number 1. Fill-Rite FR1210G Fuel Transfer Pump. Design: this fuel pump is about as good as it gets, powered by a 20 ampere DC motor with a quarter horsepower. A quarter horsepower may sound like precious little when you compare it to the hundreds you get with vehicles, but believe us when we tell you that this device delivers some serious raw power. For that reason, it is known to be very loud when compared to competitors in the market. The pump is also very versatile, being able to pump diesel, gasoline, and kerosene. For that reason alone, it is an absolute favorite among buyers. It is also extremely durable for both the construction and the materials used to construct it. The pump itself is made out of heavy-duty cast iron, which virtually guarantees that it will last a lifetime, even if the pump's internal parts fail. But don't worry, they won't. The internal construction is also top of the line. We know that because of the numerous safety and quality certifications that the pump has. With great parts, a durable casing, and plenty of safety certifications, including being explosion-proof, it's pretty difficult to beat this product. That's why the pump has become something of a trendsetter in the industry. Performance: since it is powered by DC, the operation is a lot smoother than that of a pump that is operated by AC, and it is possible to connect the pump to some heavy-duty batteries in order to operate it, or a generator. It also comes in with a built-in strainer to ensure the fuel going through is only of the cleanest quality. Finally, it comes with a 2-year warranty, which means you're going to have some peace of mind while you operate it. Pros: very durable construction. Comes with a built-in strainer to ensure you get clean fuel. Has numerous versatile applications. Cons: does not come with an anti-siphon valve.